You ever get those client requests that make you think, ugh, not this again?
Uh-huh. Yeah, definitely. What do you have in mind?
So as Acumatica consultants, we all know that clients constantly want detailed profit and loss statements right.
Right.
But they don't just want the main account classes.
Uh-huh.
They need it broken down by sub-accounts.
Yeah, I've been there.
And, the default Acumatica report,
I just don't do that.
nope, not granular enough.
So frustrating.
But luckily for us,
Yeah.
we've got an awesome case study today
Oh, cool. Tell me more.
from Carmeline Mascarenhas.
I've heard that name.
She's an associate principal consultant at Tiana Solutions,
Right, Tiana Solutions. They're huge, right?
biggest Acumatica services partner out there.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
And Carmeline herself,
What about her?
she's got over 25 years of ERP experience under her belt.
Wow, that's impressive.
And get this, she's tackled a ton of Acumatica customizations,
I bet.
including a really neat solution to this whole sub-account report problem.
So Carmeline, she's seen it all, huh?
Over 500 unique client scenarios,
Wow.
more than 200 reports created.
That's a lot of reports.
So if anyone knows how to get Acumatica to bend to your will,
It's her.
exactly.
So what does she do for this sub-account breakdown issue?
Well, she built a custom report in the account receivable module.
The ARM. Okay, interesting.
But the really cool part
What's that?
is how she did it.
Okay. Hilarious.
She used this Acumatica feature called row sets.
Row sets.
Yeah, you know how they're like containers for specific data in a report?
Yeah, okay.
So she created a row set for each major section of the P&L.
You mean like revenue expenses, net income?
Yep, all the big ones.
Makes sense.
Then within each of those sections, she used the expand function.
Oh, to reveal the sub-accounts.
Bingo. So now you've got this nice clean report.
You see.
It shows you the main account classes.
Yeah.
But then you can expand them.
To drill down into the sub-accounts.
Exactly, and it gets even better.
Really? How so?
The report shows both the code A and D, the description for each sub-account.
Oh, that's smart. So there's no confusion.
Right. Crystal clear for everyone.
Clients must love that.
Oh, they do. And here's the best part.
There's more.
As you add new accounts or sub-accounts in Acumatica,
Yeah.
the report automatically updates.
No kidding.
No more manual tweaking, no more risk of errors.
That's a huge time saver.
Huge. And you know what else is great about this approach?
Tell me.
It uses Acumatica's built-in features.
So you're working with the system, not against it.
Exactly. Which is so important for us as consultants, right?
Couldn't agree more.
We want solutions that are elegant.
And maintainable.
Absolutely. And this one ticks all the boxes.
It really does.
So if you're out there listening
Yeah.
and you're banging your head against the wall trying to create a detailed P&L,
Been there.
or really any custom report in Acumatica,
Happens to the best of us.
reach out to Tiana Solutions.
Good advice.
They know their stuff.
Yeah, clearly.
And they can help you find those clever solutions.
Like Carmeline's report.
Exactly. Their number is 678-910-2774.
Got it.
Now, I'm curious, what other Acumatica features can we use in creative ways?
That's a great question.
There's got to be more out there just waiting to be discovered.
Absolutely, I'm sure of it.
So keep experimenting, and who knows?
What?
You might just come up with the next game-changing Acumatica solution.
I like the sound of that.
Me too.